nayo na akubali ni mgonjwa, umeanza kupona. Na ninajua ninawaombea, na mkitoka huko mtakuwa kama gari mpya. Si ndio? Hiyo picha mlikuwa mnachoma inatoka negative. Sasa ninajua mtakuja watu wakiwaangalia. Mkimaliza mimi mwenyewe nitawanunia masuit. Mtaingia hapa mkiwa watu wapya. Familia ya wale ambao wamekuja leo, na washukuru sana, and I know we are going to continue working with you mpaka watoto wetu watoke kwa hii miadarati, ndio tuweze kwenda pamoja na kuwarudishia ndoto zao, ndio waweze kusimama kama wanaume. Ni kweli? Hatutaki watu wawaite hivyo walevi, wawaite hayo majina. Hayo majina niliwabadilishia na kuwapatiza watoto my boy child. Nyinyi ni my boy child. Na ninawapenda zaidi. Mtani kubalia ni kwanza nisome hii, alafu nitawaongelesha na lugha ya ile mnajua, si ndio? So, Bwana asifiwe. So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am excited to welcome you to this important gathering here at Victor's Chapel. Today, we come together as Kenyans, united front against destructive forces of alcohol, drug, substance abuse in our beloved country, Kenya. This partnership of national and county governments, the church and the local community is so important so that we can eliminate this drug abuse and substance and alcohol abuse. We are sending the second tranche of 60 of my boy children to the health facility. We have already had another 24 of these boy children who are in different rehab centers across the nation. We are committed as God continues to provide the resources to sponsor 2,000 by the end of this year. And more will be sponsored on outpatient basis, up to 12,000 by the end of this year. This is a commitment we are making, and we are partnering with many hospitals, and we are coming up even with those technical schools that are within the sub-counties and they are not being used. We are going to use every available facility to be able to transform our boy children and to redirect them to their destiny. We gather not only as members of communities, but as a loving and a supportive family to uplift, to restore, and to dignify our youth who are taking a bold and courageous step towards treatment. May God honor and dignify this noble initiative and the boldness that you are taking as young men, old men, and my boy children. God will take you to the end. And I'll be praying for you. I'm not going to stop praying for you. I'll be coming there to check on how you are going on. And by the time you are through, I'll be there to take you out as a mother. As a mother standing before you in great pride to see you, I extend my unwavering support, prayers, and encouragement to each and every one of you embarking on this transformative journey. My heart filled with compassion, recognizing the challenges you have faced. I stand by your side, offering you my love and giving you hope for a bright tomorrow and a bright future. You are our tomorrow, and we know it is going to happen. I want you to know that you are not alone. You have the support of a mother who understands the struggles you have endured, and family believes in your potential to overcome this obstacle. Anytime you may get discouraged, remember, I am there praying for you, and God is with you.